Hi guys, Losi here. Back another vid. Got another quick unboxing, guys. I actually went ahead, picked up a couple of these CEN F450 trucks. Just got it in the mail. So go ahead, pop it open, take a look, guys. See what it should look like. All right. Man. Love the look of these guys, y'all. Try to pop it out of here. Tightly packed in, guys. Boom. There we go. Got one. Alright. Put this side. Pop off. Put the other one out, guys. Got them out the box. You see, gray one, blue one. All these haven't sold out, but I did manage to get me keep one of these for myself. So I went with the gray one. Again, it's an F450 SD. It's a 10 scale solid axle custom truck. License body, the American Force edition. All right, it comes with 2.4 gigahertz radio. Has a Hobby Wing ESC, 40 amp ESC, which is the WP1040 brushed ESC speed control, waterproof, dust proof for all weather, built-in capacitor module, automatic throttle range calibration, has low voltage cutoff for LiPo, nickel metal, all that good stuff, overheat protection, signal loss, all that good stuff. The motor that comes in this guy is, sorry, kind of messed on it. The motor that comes with this guy is RS550 high torque brush motor. All right. Servo is a 12 gram servo that comes with this guy. Works, by Savox. 4.8 volts or 610 volts, so 25T servo horn. The radio system, obviously pistol grip, 2.4 gigahertz, digital trims, all that good stuff. Dual rates, endpoints. Built-in feel safe, blah 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 blah. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead, man. Try to get into this guy a little bit. I'll show you guys part of the box. This is the underside of the truck, what it looks like. I'll be checking that out too pretty soon. All right, so go ahead. Let's try and get this bad boy out of here. All right, cut the seal. Let me show you guys. Look, wrapper right there. Try to slide her out. Man, let's see just the look at this guy. Slide it on out, guys. Has a little tool set in there. Little stickers, manual, radio, manual, car, all that good stuff. The back of it, pretty cool. All right, other side. All right, we're stuck. So we pull the wrapper off, guys. This wrapper off here. Pretty nice. Real nice, guys. Okay. The radio is just sitting right underneath of it. Come out. I'm gonna take the body off. Maybe there's zip ties from the top. Man, these zip ties are on there, guys. I mean, these body pins. I'll just go over just some of the quick little features of the truck. Obviously, we're looking at the body right now. I got the gray, which is called gray titanium. Another one is blue galaxy. Gray titanium with the red rims. All right, it's a dually, of course. It's a Ford F450 Super Duty. It has a Ford licensed body on here. All right, Um, Looking at it real quick, windows are all pretty much decals. It is painted on the other side, so it's pretty much blacked out. The window trim in the front, it's a nice, nice trim piece. It does not move, but it has, a nice, actually looks like a wiper on there, but it doesn't move at all. Mirrors are fixed, they don't adjust. It does have pretty good mirroring effect, and it's pretty good. But if you did run into something or roll it or something, you may snap the mirrors off. Looking at the bed here, I love that it's it's recessed where you can put something in there, and it would pretty much stay in there. It would be a toolbox or have a little crawler you could stick in the back. I like that feature. Nice, a flat bed. Pretty good detail back here. Door handles. There's no actual raised door handle. It's kind of recessed, but there's a sticker. Well, stickers. There's pretty much stickers all the way around. Look at the front bumper. It's actually a sticker. It's not like a 3D printed or not actual molding or anything like that. Which I kind of wish it was kind of molded, but it's all good. Stickers look great as well. Pretty nice finish on it, I think. In the back, you can see the letters down here at the bottom. That's actually recessed in the plastic, so have a nice little texture to it. Just the overall look at the truck. It looks pretty good. I love the finish. CEN did a pretty good job with this truck. I knew I had to have it when I saw it when it was released. It is a two-piece body, cab, and then the bed. You can separate them. So if somebody want to do like the fifth wheel conversion, you take the bed off, just have the cab, and then the exposed rear end, and you put your fifth wheel or whatever you want to do. All right. Try to keep this video nice and short for you guys. See the back of the body. It's just pretty much blacked out, and it does have like these little cushions over the mounting holes, the additional cushion and whatnot. Prevent some of the rattling and stuff. And one thing I did like that they did was it had these little gaskets, clear gaskets over top of the body, so when you put the pin, doesn't scratch the body up. But I will say, man, the body pins on this thing, at least for me, it's pretty hard, man. It's pretty tough to get the body pins off. But other than that, so far it's been pretty good. I love the center-mounted battery tray here. I did went ahead and put my little 3S batteries in it just to kind of. I haven't driven it yet, but I want to put it around here in a little bit. Center, H frame. You have the 550 motor here. All right, torque. You have Hobby Wing ESC. You have the receiver box, little antenna sticking out the side, on and off switch. This is waterproof. It comes with Dean's connectors. I went ahead and added Dean's to XT60 adapter so I can run this battery. I already mentioned the servo up front, Savox servo, and it feels pretty good. And I did notice it has like a little bump stop screw to prevent from the steering going way out of whack. And kind of tune that as well. I'm not sure if I can show you in the camera, probably not. But there's a screw right on the other side of the wheel, but it can't really show it too well. Got your little foam bumper up front, keep everything in the front nice and flush. All right, and this is the toe hitch you get back there. All right, there's a transmission right here, obviously. You see that. And you got your 3-link suspension. CMS, which was a chassis mounted servo. I spoke about a servo earlier up here. All right. Just gonna show you the underside of it. It looks, it's pretty clean. I like the hardware under here. It's pretty beefy, and this frame is adjustable, I believe. You can see it has the 2 pieces up here and one in the middle. The channels and everything, so I guess you could adjust. I guess maybe in the future they may have different lengths, and who knows what CEN has up their sleeves. You have adjustable coilover springs. Shocks all the way around, front and rear. All right, man, I just love these dually wheels, man. Look at the finish on that thing. So I'm not sure, I haven't tried yet, but I'm not sure if it's all those little screws that comes out to get the wheels off, or just like a center cap. I'll figure that out later on. All right, and you guys know you could definitely, you can change the gear and the transmission. You can flip it around and make it go fast and whatnot. I'm gonna run it the way it is just to get a feel and see how it goes. But so I'm gonna keep this video nice and short. Just want to show you guys also see the radio. All right, there's a rubber grip on here. 2.4 gigahertz radio. This is the on and off switch right here. Hit a switch, blue light comes on. All right, two buttons up here. Dual rate buttons up top right there. You have a little trim settings and all that. All right, so I mean it's an okay feeling radio. I'll probably end up switching it out, but for now I'll just run it, you know, just for initial driving experience. I'm gonna run it with the stock radio. Yeah, just want to kind of show you guys my new rig. We'll try to actually get a tow hitch mounted up to this truck, and I could pull some of my cars around. Most likely my crawlers. So, but just all in all, man, I really do love this, like this truck. Like I said, when the first it was released, I knew I had to have this guy. So, came in today. Now she's here. I've been waiting for a while, and you know, a lot of people didn't get any. So hopefully the next batch they'll have enough for everybody to get some, or people who wanted to get them. But yeah, again, just real quick, thanks for watching my video, man. Leave any comments, any information that you may know that, as far as the wheels or any other things I may need to know beforehand, for those of you who have it or just know other information as well. And again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.